What's up, guys? Good morning. Money Trades here. Back again on another video. It's 8:25 in the morning. 5 minutes till open. We went over this all on the live yesterday, I believe. That if we do breakdown from 2983, that we would come here and sweep these lows. We were just so shy from this 678, but we ended up obviously getting a bounce from all this sweep so far. So I'll be looking for the 1 hour right here. Going lower time frame, kind of see what we got going on. To be fair, anything below here we can kind of sweep down. And then if we do hold this range, right, maybe that 845 range, start picking out of that, then we can go long into like 900 maybe. So we'll see how this goes. We have something different going on, guys. So as you guys know, we ran up the 50k the 100k accounts very fast. So I'm going to stop trading on them because we do not want to take these accounts to live. So we'll just get a withdrawal on them and then reset. So in the meantime, what I did was I bought 150k accounts and I already set them up. Okay, guys, so here's what we did. We went ahead and activated 5 accounts, 5 150k accounts on a separate TopStep plugin. So we will be documenting these 150k accounts and repeating the same process again. So yeah, let's see how we do. I'm not gonna be pushing too many buttons. I'm just gonna see what I can find, what trades we can take. I'm not gonna go for big swings. We just need to pass this account, pass these accounts like as fast as possible. I really don't like to take long trying to pass these accounts. So if I find a setup, I will take it with size and make the move. So yeah, let's see how we do. Yep. Yep, possible. Let me see the daily on ES. Oh yeah, 5797. No, I think that's solid. I think that's solid. Yeah. So I think this is so far in 1 minute. Also into this resistance 1 hour. As you can see. Also it's 1 minute. So anything below here we can probably drop. Let's see. Let me try. Yeah, here. Try that. Just get that. Say it again. I may try some shorts. Yeah, I'm in some shorts, small, and then setting stops like right above. All right, guys, so we're almost there. Let's move this to even. Let's see if we can get there. We just need to sweep, and then we'll be halfway done passing these accounts. I'll move this a little lower just in case we get wicked. There we go. And okay, we're still not on that. Let's see. Try again. Oh my. Oops. Okay. See if this one's a little better. I want to see this get tapped. Let's see what we can do here. Come on. Almost there. Come on. Tag him and bag him. Come on. Tagged and bagged, baby. What a short. Nice. Alright. So we are halfway done with these accounts. Nice. Alright guys, we'll catch you tomorrow for part 2.